How to see who viewed your TikTok profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see who viewed your profile on TikTok. So first of all, open up the TikTok application on your mobile device. And once you've done that, simply go to your profile which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, if you look closely on the top right side of the screen, you can see these two footstep icon right over here. So this is the profile views option where you will be able to see the list of people who have viewed your TikTok profile. So to enable profile views, what you'll have to do is simply go to this page and then tap on this settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, make sure you have profile view history turned on. Now also remember that if you can see other people who have viewed your profile, that means that other people will also see if you have viewed their profile. So if you view someone else's profile, you will also show up on their list. So this is the major disadvantage of this option. But even if there is disadvantage, the advantage is that you can see other people who view your TikTok profile. So that is basically how you see who viewed your TikTok profile. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.